Modal verbs. A modal is a type of helping verb. It's used to express ability, possibility, permission, like that. Okay. So modal phrases are used to express the same things as modal verbs. Let me have some modal verbs now. These are shall, should, will, have to, would, can, need to, could, may, ought to, might, dare, used to, need. We have some modal verbs. We also use the modals to do things like talking about ability, asking permission, making them. Okay. So let me see one by one now. Here we have impossibility. Here for this impossibility, we want to use two types of the modal verbs. One is can be, can't be. It can be used as cannot, and couldn't or could not. Both are same only. This is used for impossibility. Probability, we use the modal verb must for this probability. Okay, let me have some example. It must be quite late. You must be angry and you must be hungry. Something you can say there. Permission. Here for this permission, we can use the modal verb as can. Can I ask a question, please? Can we go home now? And could also we can use here for this permission. Could I ask a question, please? Could we go home now? The next one we have instructions and requests. Here we can use could you and would you. Can I? Can you? Could I? Could you? And so on. We have some modal verbs. Let me know the meaning of the modals. Okay. For example, the first one, can. This can be used to express ability, to request permission. May. This can be used to express possibility or to request permission. Must. This can be used to express obligation or to express strong belief. Should. This can be used to give advice or to request or for some offer. Would. In if sentences, we can use this type of modals. Let me have some exercise here. Fill in the blanks using would you or could you. The first sentence we have dash, please close the door. If we have this please, we can say could you please. Always in this we have to use could you. This is the request. The second sentence dash, please open the window. Even here also we have the word please, so we can use could you. The third sentence dash mind going to back bench. Here we have the word mind, so always we have to use for this as would you mind. The fourth one dash, please bring some water for me. Here please, so we have to use could you. Okay, likewise we have some clues for this. And then in that same exercise we have the part B, use the phrases could you or would you in the following situations with your friend. The first sentence is given, ask the policeman for directions. Here we have to use the phrases. Okay, ask the policeman for the directions. Could you please show me the direction to the railway station? We are asking the question to the policeman, requesting the policeman. Could you please show me the direction to the railway station? The second sentence, you need to borrow your friend's bike. So you want to borrow something from your friend, the bike from your friend. Would you mind lending your bike for a ride? How to say this? Would you mind lending your bike for a ride? Okay. Third sentence. You would need to exchange the book purchased. You would need to exchange the book purchased. So for this, how can we ask the permission or that some demand here? Could you please exchange this book with another one? Fourth sentence. You want to open your classroom window. So we can ask like this. Would you mind opening the window? Okay. Like this we have to practice everything for this modal verbs. Okay. Thank you.